Today I was watching my best friend get ready for a party, and it kind of inspired me to want to put on makeup and try some new things. So I got home and I took out all my makeup, but then I just felt ridiculous. So instead of just washing it off and calling it a day, I decided to make it into a parody of sorts of those hair makeup outfit ideas in 17 magazine that no one would actually wear or do, in public at least. This is what I came up with. I still cannot believe I actually fit into these shorts that belong to my mom from the 80s, especially after that meal. I hate coffee. The worst thing about it is it smells so good and it has an aroma such that it just draws you in and you want to drink it. And then you do, and then it's like, pfft, what is this bitter sludge? What is this? Was ist das? And then, whenever I would... Hold on. Whenever I would talk to this about someone, they would tell me, oh, you're not putting enough cream in it, you're not putting enough sugar in it. But that just irked me even more because why should you have to put so much effort into making something taste good when there's tea right there that just can be drinking. It can just be drinking as is. Of late, I've been kind of getting into drinking some of it. On Mondays, I go to Dunkin' Donuts with my best friend. Been getting my free iced coffee with the coupon that she gave me. I found that if there's like 55% cream, 45% coffee, it's pretty good. I had previously thought that it wasn't such a bad thing that I didn't like coffee because there was the whole test with the spider that implied that it stunted your growth and made you act crazy. But one, I think I'm done growing, and two, I'm already crazy, so why not?